What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on SUI. Wanted to cover it because I actually do expect some bullish momentum for SUI. So then I think it's always handy to make a video. Perhaps you can anticipate and make some profit out of it. It's not guaranteed, of course. The market right now is very unstable in Bitcoin, even though we did get back into this range. Which is bullish. Still, we have dropped down significantly since last week. So it's very unstable, but altogether I do expect some bullish momentum for SUI. So that's what we'll talk about. We'll just talk about what to expect in general. Yeah, so I'll try to give you as much of a thorough overview as possible, as always. But before we get into SUI and before we actually zoom in, because here we cannot see anything, of course, I do want to let you know that I also have my own trading signals group. I think the most transparent and successful on YouTube, which is a little bit of a claim to make. I'm not sure about that, but still, it's profitable. You can learn with other traders. You have exclusive chat rooms. If you're interested in that, make sure to check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. Now onto SUI. So the thing is, and I've said this before, is that at some point of time with these new listings, they usually go into a consolidation. Now SUI was tested a little bit yesterday, basically at this $1.02 level, which was also our bottom the 8th of May. We were tested with that bearish momentum for Bitcoin, but we actually managed to hold. And from there, get a bullish breakout. Earlier or actually from Friday to Saturday, we broke above you have this entire level between 1.1 and 1.02. And then at the top, you have a separate level, which is basically between 1.075 and 1.1. And we broke above that, and we broke above 1.07. So we actually got that bullish breakout. And in general, what you can see is that we are not responding to trend lines that much anymore. Like you could draw a trend line like this, didn't respond. Like this, we might get some sort of reaction out of it, but not that much. You can also see that the ADX is very low, which is indicating that we are no longer trending. And that's also what I expected since the launch. At some point, we'll just consolidate, move sideways, and then at some point later on, we'll get a bullish breakout and we'll rally. That's how it's been for most big cryptos that launched in the last 8 months or so. So what I expect now for SUI, and that also aligns very well with the market, I think, because Bitcoin also got some sort of a small bullish breakout. I think SUI can actually find support at that level between 1.1 and 1.07 and start to move up, probably with resistance, but start to move up towards 1.15 and 1.16. I think we'll find resistance there, but in overall, I do also think that at some point we'll be able to break above that and go all the way up to 1.24 and 1.25. Or let's say to be a little bit more conservative, 1.22 and 1.25. Now, at some point of time, I think we will get there and break above that and start a rally. Could that happen this time? I don't think so. I think we'll just find resistance there and start dropping back down, like a consolidation, right? Consolidation is up and down in one range. However, there's this off chance, of course, that Bitcoin actually starts rallying towards the end of the weekend. That's probably the time when it's most possible. And if that starts happening, if you see Bitcoin at 27,500 all of a sudden, then we could actually have that bullish breakout. So the magic level really is 1.25. I think we're going up there. I think we'll find resistance there. But if there's actually a lot of bullish momentum in the market, we can also break above that. But yeah, that's my take on SUI for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.